At least we're not talking any precipitation today after a chance for a couple of flurries this morning. No measurable snow expected today, but we are looking at some light flurries mainly off to the northwest. And as we move throughout this morning, going to look at just a couple of flurries out there. But overall, we are not expecting like anything we saw yesterday across the area. And if you've noticed, if you did see some of that snow, unless you live farther to the north yesterday, it's melted out there already. We had some warmer temperatures overnight above the freezing mark, and so that helped melt the snow. Now, throughout the day today, we are going to still hold on to some clouds for the first half of the day, but I do expect some clearer skies later this afternoon, especially closer to the lakefront. But this does not mean that we are going to warm up this afternoon. We're actually going to see our temperatures slide as we continually have air coming in out of the northwest, which is colder than our current air in place. So expect some chilly conditions, and temperatures are only going to drop as we move into the overnight hours. And get ready for tomorrow's morning low. It is going to be very, very cold. This morning, not terrible. We're near the freezing mark inland and then closer to the lakefront, looking at the mid-30s at this hour. But when you factor the winds, it's feeling more like the upper teens to start off your day. Now, these are a look at our current wind gusts. So again, the sustained winds are at about 10 to 15 right now, and our gusts are up to about 30 in a few spots, though mainly into the mid-20s at this moment. So gusty conditions across the area. And when you take a look at our air temperatures and you factor in the winds, we are going to make it's going to feel more like the teens this morning, and then eventually into the single digits on your way home or even by early this afternoon. So make sure you wear plenty of layers as you step out the door. At least you won't need that waterproof layer today. Now, temperatures this afternoon will be colder than where we're at right now. So looking at temperatures into the 20s, highs today technically are going to be in the mid to upper 30s because that's what we saw after the midnight hour last night. But expect cold conditions later today. And it only gets colder. 10 tomorrow morning, 10 degrees tomorrow morning. We'll see 24 in the afternoon. A few flurries also returning later in the day. Wednesday dry, and temperatures do start to rebound a bit. We're back into the 40s by the end of the week. But with that, looking at a couple chances for a wintry mix late Thursday as well as into Friday. Adriana?
All right, thanks, Marissa. Well, an area soccer club is taking their talents off the field to help community members, and it's Positively Milwaukee. The Milwaukee Torrance Soccer Club hosted a Christmas toy drive for children hurt in the Waukesha Christmas parade tragedy. The club collected toys on Sunday afternoon at Hart Park in Wauwatosa.
And this is something that we can do beside the game of soccer, where we can lighten up their day. We want to be part of lighting them up a little bit and try to put a smile on their face.
Now, the club's goal was to collect 100 to 150 toys. Davey says they plan to personally deliver those toys to those affected. Well, this year's Mac Star is available now, and it'll help brighten up Christmas trees. It's designed by sweet-year-old 11-year-old Miley Francis of Brown Deer, who's battling lymphoma. Like the true warrior she is, she's one pretty strong woman and one pretty strong girl. So if you want to support the MAC Fund, they're $10 every year. TMJ4 partners with the MAC Fund to create that ornament, and you can buy one at Sundays Food Markets, Spargo Salon, or online at the MAC store for, once again, just $10. And all the money goes to the MAC Fund, which helps fund childhood cancer